We are currently building a garage for one of our previous clients. The house on his farm was built with timber frames and scribed logs in the gables. He wanted a garage built in the same manner to blend in nicely at his farm. I figured I'd make a two-part series of this build and bring you along the process. Using the bandsaw, we cut the bottom frames to size. We are working with 10-inch wide lumber for this project. To get the frames more resilient and easy to work with, we smooth out the surfaces with an electric planer. When the frames was done, it was time to put it all together. While Anders finished the bottom frames, we started working on ornaments for the top frames. Next up was cutting the corner joints for the top frames. We mostly use oval-shaped logs on our builds. It is a bit more work as we have to shape them, but we think it looks somewhat better than the more square-shaped ones. It was now time to assemble the top frame. We assembled it right on top of the bottom frame to make the process more convenient. With the top frame in place, it was time to scribe the first log for the gable. We made all the rafters inside our workshop. And made a template for the ornament cutouts. We could use the chainsaw to cut out these ornaments, but I got by with the wood saw. So this is pretty much where we're at with the project right now. I'm sorry for the mess, we've been working on some other projects alongside. Thank you guys for watching my videos.